All right, fellow XRP holders, today is the day. Today is Liberation Day. It is the day that we will see President Trump's tariff sweeping plan unveiled. I've actually got a timeline for you of the exact time it's going to be unveiled here in a minute. I'm going to share that with you as well. So stick to the end. I've got a lot to share with you because ultimately this is about XRP. Is XRP going to crash today? Is XRP going to quite possibly at best not go down dramatically? This title really to me says it all. Liberation Day tariff plans put markets on high alert. And that's literally how we are. We are at a place where we, quite frankly, nobody knows what the market is going to do, how the crypto market is going to respond, how the traditional stock, bond, financial markets are going to respond. We simply don't know, right? And historically, what's happened anytime we've had a major event having to do with tariffs, and this would be tariffs, whereas the United States was going to tariff goods coming from, say, Mexico or Canada, or adding tariffs to our Chinese relationship there. It's historically been a very, very bad day for crypto. We've seen crypto drop dramatically. So today being the day, I'm really stressing the word the day for the ultimate unveil of President Trump's tariff plan. Yeah, the markets are definitely a little shaky, to say the least. Now, ultimately, you can see crypto is up 1.3%. Bitcoin's up 2.7. And that could be something that we would see. Are we going to see the exact opposite reaction today of historically? Are we going to see a move out of stocks and bonds and a move where money comes into crypto because of the tariffs, because, a flight to safety, if you will, where capital is going to flow into Bitcoin and XRP and things of that nature because of a dramatic view of the risk associated on the stock side? Could that happen? The truth is, cards on the table, we don't know. And that's really what it is. And anybody who says they do know and they can guarantee you, they're they're full of it. Because believe me, I've talked to a lot of people about this, and it's definitely a situation where it is got everybody shaky. So let me give you that timeline. Here you go. So today is, again, Liberation Day. Here's the schedule. So these are all in Eastern Standard Times, New York time. So 9 a.m. I'm actually recording this video at 9 a.m. Dallas time. So this has already happened. The meeting, President Trump convening with his expert trade council to finalize the Liberation Day tariff initiative. Here's the key one you need to know. 11:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, New York time. Press Secretary Carolyn Leavitt previews the historic announcement. So there is your answer. At 11:30 a.m. East Coast time, we are going to find out. 4:30 East Coast time, President engages with the media, followed by an official photo session. 6 p.m., administration officials brief industry leaders on implementation, ensuring seamless execution. 8 p.m., global markets respond as the impact of America's renewed strength takes hold. Okay, so again, this was an official document that I just grabbed for you guys there. But this is the key one. Here we go. 11:30, depending upon where you're at, that is New York time. 11:30 Eastern Standard Time, we are going to get the announcement of what this looks like. And we're going to see how the markets react. Because right now, as of the recording of this video, stocks are mixed, to say the least. You can see the Dow's down 96. S&P is down, 86. The Dow's down 86. S&P's down 7. NASDAQ's up 2, just like crypto is right here, up 1.3. So we got choppy waters here. Waiting on on this situation to play out. And again, guys, the situation here is that we just don't know how the market's going to react. If you look at historical precedent here, it's going to be a really, really dramatically red day. Because what you're going to see is Trump's plan being unveiled, and then you're going to see the counter moves from the impacted countries. You're going to see Mexico, Canada, China. And by the way, this Liberation day tariff plan is it's tariffs on tariffs. It is more countries being added to the list. It's not just those few that I've mentioned a couple times in this video. This is a historic blanket. That's a key word that Trump has used, a blanket tariff initiative that they're going to roll out. So historical precedent says that this is going to be a very rough day in the financial market, just because of what I said earlier in the video. Just when we were talking about tariffs on Mexico or Canada, what have you, those were really rough days and impacted XRP as well, impacted all of crypto. So yeah, could XRP crash today and drop below $2? Absolutely, positively could. It's a possibility. Could we see Bitcoin flow down dramatically? We're Bitcoin trading right now at 85,000. Could we see Bitcoin go below 80,000? We could. But again, the fact of the matter is, even the smartest people in the room on traditional finance and crypto, nobody knows. Nobody really knows how the market's going to react. Could we see that flight to safety of where we see traditional revenue and income and money that's in stocks and things? Because if the stock market goes down so dramatically, could people look at it the opposite? I'm going to go put money into Bitcoin and XRP and things of that nature. It's happened before. Okay. So again, we don't know what we don't know right now. Okay. So again, I'm making you aware. Really what I want to leave you with is be on the lookout. If you haven't already done so, hit that like, hit that subscribe. 11:30 Eastern Standard Time. So for me, I'm in Dallas. That's 10:30 my time. It's about an hour and a half away. More to follow. Okay. So here we go. I'll be back with more. Thanks. Bye.